Welcome back to Azzadous Studios. This is the final part of my UK Hardcore Breakdown series. If you like this video, like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. Okay, so in this final bit, we're gonna just add some finishing touches. So what I'm gonna do is drag this laser effects over to the drop. And it's getting there. I think I'm just going to cut this last bit off and let's add another little effect in. Let's just find something nice. Should be something in here. Some Cashmere usually has some nice little effects. We don't want much, just something little that we can cut out. Okay, so the vocals on this are not finished. They need a lot of processing, but to show you what I'll do on a breakdown, I'm going to, on this little section here, I'm just going to add some more delay and reverb just to really fill it out. So I'm going to check what reverb we've got here. So I'm going to boost that a little bit, just at this part where the bass build-up comes in.
As I walk through a storm and it's all falling down, I can count on one hand my friends who stuck around. But I'm kicking and I'm screaming, I'm picking up the pieces, I got to let you know. But I'm punching through the ceiling, I'm chasing the feeling, no I won't let it go. Try to tell me down, you're pushing me around, but I'm a warrior, warrior, warrior. Try to tell me down, you're pushing me around, but I'm a warrior, warrior, warrior.
Right, okay, I think that's about it. Other than the lead that I'm planning on changing anyway, and the vocals that need a lot of processing, there's not much going to be changed in this breakdown. the layout and the structure of it is pretty much exactly how I'm going to keep it. So that's it for my UK Hardcore Breakdown series. If you like this video and this series, let me know in the comments below. Like and share, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell to keep up to date with future videos. See you next time.
Falling down, I can count on one hand my friends that circle around.